TruWood siding and trim are engineered wood products which are designed and manufactured to give a homeowner years of outstanding product performance. But if it has been mishandled prior to installation, it could void the warranties or worse, result in a shorter product life. Here are some important points to remember about handling and storing the siding and trim. TruWood products are shipped in tough, protective packaging. Upon delivery, the condition of the siding and trim becomes your responsibility. So when loading or unloading, each piece should be handled with care. In storage, it must be stacked flat, well supported by stringers so that it doesn't touch the ground. And keep the factory wrap intact to protect it until it is applied. Never apply TruWood siding or trim if they have become wet. This can cause performance problems such as shrinkage later on. Siding and trim that has become wet should be allowed to dry before applying.